Okay, let's go.
Hey everyone, today we're preparing the yacht for our guest's arrival. I'll show you the whole process. At Sea Lux, we always find the perfect yacht for your trip. Planning a birthday or corporate event, we'll handle everything from start to finish. Let's take a look at how we organized everything and how the event went. We organized a corporate event for a 10-year anniversary. Check out more happy clients in our next videos.